Good evening everyone. This side Kajal. This video lecture is for class 6 students, and here in this video lecture we are going to discuss a chapter number 10 from your English book, A Pact with the Sun, and the name of the chapter is A Strange Wrestling Match. So these are some highlights. Everybody believed that Vijay Singh, the famous wrestler, was unbeatable. Vijay Singh was a bit boastful at times. Once he took it upon himself to a fight with Ghost. Once there was a wrestler named Vijay Singh. He was a tall man with big shoulders and strong muscular arms. In comparison to others, he looked like a giant. People were of the opinion that he was a born wrestler and was unbeatable. This Pahalwan had one flaw that landed himself into troubles. It was his habit of speaking too proudly of his possessions. One day, while sitting in the market with many young men and after having milk, he announced that he was not afraid of Ghost. Rather, he wanted to meet a ghost and teach him a lesson. So here Vijay Singh's weakness was that he was fond of boasting and tall talks. He boasted that he wished that he met a ghost and taught him a lesson. So this pushed him to an awkward situation where he was suggested to go to the haunted desert where he could find ghosts. People started whispering, some were praising and some were showing suspicion and fears. One young man told him that at night, if he could walk alone through the haunted desert, there he would surely meet ghosts. Ghosts roamed there freely. Strange sounds were often heard there. Travelers were looted and killed. Vijay Singh was little scared and also repented for speaking that. Yet he said very casually that he knew about it. So everyone was so scared of ghosts, and the ghost had often looted and killed people there. But Vijay Singh wanted to prove his strength to Ghost, so he offered him a fight. One of his admirers exclaimed that it was true and told him the location of that place. That haunted desert was 10 miles to the west on the road of Jaisalmer. The easily recognizable sign was an ugly looking black rock like the head of a camel. Beyond that, there was nothing except the jungle and Ghost. This place and his opinion, it was nothing about a fairy tale. Vijay Singh set out for his journey to the haunted place, and the whole village came to bid him farewell. An old lady threw a packet in his hand and he started walking towards the desert. So when everyone was giving him farewell, an old lady came forward to him and she gave him a packet, and that packet contained an egg and a lump of salt. Yes, the gift was eccentric because Vijay Singh could not understand what the purpose of such a gift was on a desert. As he kept walking, the night grew dark, the moon became bright, and the stars were clearly visible in Rajasthan sky. Means Rajasthan sky was completely shining beautifully. After a few miles, Vijay Singh recalled the packet given by that old lady. He found it and he found a lump of salt and an egg. This old woman was famous for her strange behavior. Actually, everyone used to call her a whimsical lady. As soon as Vijay Singh stepped into the haunted desert, a voice called him and asked him follow it. This voice told him that he was his friend Natwar. Vijay Singh came to know that it was a ghost, showing that he was not scared at all, rather brave. Vijay Singh called back and asked the ghost his whereabouts. As he was not able to see him due to the darkness, seeing the ghost just like a good wrestler, Vijay wanted to guess his enemy's power. So, Vijay Singh asked the ghost disguised as Natwar to come closer so that he could size up his enemy like all other good wrestlers. Shortly, the ghost made himself visible and Vijay Singh looked at his face carefully and said that the ghost was a liar. He had wanted to meet him for quite a long time. That would not have to walk anymore. Hearing this kind of insulting words, the ghost was surprised. Actually, the ghost was so surprised that everyone had that fear against that ghost, but Vijay Singh was showing so much bravery in front of him. How this could possible? How this could be possible? Generally, people were scared of him, and seeing him, they started running and fainted. Right? People had often looted and killed by him. So there was fear in everyone's heart. But Vijay Singh was showing so much strength in front of him. In this case, he was completely opposite. He wanted to meet the ghost. In surprise, the ghost asked him if that was true. So Vijay Singh pretended to be so brave. He looked at Natwar's face and said that he was a plain lying ghost. This made the ghost speechless because people used to get afraid when they saw him. But here, Vijay Singh was so brave and confident. Vijay Singh called the ghost stupid and unable to read a man's thought. He said that he was a useless ghost. Vijay further told him that he was tired of fighting with men. That's why now he wanted to fight with a ghost. The ghost did not have any reply and tried to scare Vijay. He said that Vijay did not appear to be strong enough. Vijay Singh told the ghost not to go by his appearance and abuse the ghost. Vijay even offered to the ghost that if he was interested, Vijay could prove his strength. Right? Because he wanted to show the ghost that he was very, very confident and strong to make the ghost lose. Part 2. Vijay Singh picked up a piece of rock from the sand. Take this. He offered it to the ghost and squeezed it hard. It is filled with fluid. See, if I am wrong, while the ghost tried to squeeze the rock first with one hand, then with both, Vijay Singh stealthily means shyly took out the egg from his pocket. Vijay Singh snatched the rock from the ghost and placed it between both hands and squeezed. At once the yellow yolk oozed from around his fingers, and the crackling of eggshell created the illusion of the stone being crushed. The ghost was so astonished, he did not notice Vijay Singh bending to clean his hands with sand and disposing of the telltale shell. Vijay Singh then picked up another piece of rock and gave it to the ghost without a word. The ghost took it, felt it and peered at it. Vijay Singh put his hand into his pocket and take out the lump of salt. So here Vijay Singh handed over a rock to the ghost and asked him to squeeze it. So he just told the ghost that the rock was full of fluid and the ghost was unable to squeeze the rock. Then the Vijay Singh insulted the ghost badly and carefully took the egg in his hand and took the rock from the ghost. He squeezed the egg and the yellow part dripped down and it made the ghost think that he actually squeezed the rock. Then Vijay Singh challenged the ghost to crush another rock. This is only a stone, protested the ghost, and anyway it is too dark to see. Never heard of a ghost who can't see in the dark, remarked Vijay Singh. That stone which you hold in your hand contains salt. Crumble it and see. Again the ghost tried to crush the stone, but in vain. He handed over the stone to Vijay Singh. The ghost was now beginning to doubt his ghostly powers. So here, this time he said that it was nothing but salt. The ghost could not crush the rock. Then the Vijay Singh took lump of salt from his pocket and the rock from the ghost in his hand, and he crumbled the lump of salt and let the rock drop into the darkness. Thus Vijay Singh showed that he was very more powerful than the ghost. I can see that you are not going to be a worthy opponent. What's the use of wrestling with a weakling whom I can floor in a minute? So saying, Vijay Singh casually crumbled the lump of salt and let the stone drop in the darkness. He held out his hand and commanded the ghost to taste the powdered stone. Mesmerized with the Pahalwan's extraordinary strength, the ghost did as he was told. Alarms shot through him. So here Vijay Singh concluded that the ghost would not be a worthy opponent to him, as he could not perform any of the challenges that Vijay Singh threw on him. Neither could he crush the rock full of fluid, nor he could crumble the rock made of salt. No, he was not fair in his judgment because he used unfair tricks to prove that he was more powerful than the ghost. This man could easily vanquish him in a wrestling bout in the dark, but perhaps he could be tricked in other ways. Assuming a servile manner, the ghost said, "Friend Vijay Singh, it is an honor to meet a man like you. I admit to being 2021 defeated, but where will you go tonight? Rest in my house, you can leave tomorrow." Now, Thorin